So my first early and second early strawberries have finished now. The first earlies have just been potted up into containers, and they're just going to sit in those containers, and those containers will move into the polytunnel in about March time for a nice early crop. The second early strawberries, same variety, they're looking really ragged now. So I'm going to take the tops off those, just snip them off with scissors, about this sort of height, leave any tiny leaves just starting to break out from the crowns. Leaving the bed nice and clean, give it a good weed, put down a couple of handfuls of bloodfish and bone, just a general purpose fertiliser, and water that in. I think a good watering, sort of at least an inch of water, maybe a little bit more, sort of this amount of water, that'll soak that bed really well, and then put new compost on top. And the new compost, you know, will settle around the crowns, because what I find at this time of year is that the crowns, they're starting to push themselves up out of the compost, or the compost is starting to shrink down. And so they're kind of exposed, a little bit wobbly, a little bit weak. Sometimes even you can see the roots coming out the bottom of them. And so by putting a nice thick sort of inch, 1.5 inches of compost on top, that gives you not only a nice weed-free surface, but it also provides loads of nutrition all the way through winter and spring. And most importantly, as I said, I think it provides a nice environment for runners to root into and settles the crowns, so the crowns are well down, you know, just above the compost layer rather than sort of sticking out. And that is then pretty much it. They will burst back into life in July, as through July and August they'll throw out lots of runners. I don't actually need the runners because there's plenty of strawberries in that bed. What I'll do though is I'll root the runners, and I'll take those runners out in September. I will then transplant them into 20 hanging baskets, which will go into this polytunnel in January, February time. Depends on the weather. If the weather's really bad, they come in January. If the weather's quite mild, then they come in early February. And they'll go up, hung from the crop bars in the polytunnel for an early harvest in April and early May. The ones in March will give me a harvest in June, and then that bed that I've just prepared will give me a harvest sort of late June. And here we are a week later, strawberries all fully recovered, all that lovely new leaf growth. If you want to know more about growing strawberries, take a look at my growing guide, which is linked down below. It covers all the crops that I grow. You want the individual growing guide section, and just pick strawberries. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.